Good afternoon, Bobcats. This is Homework Help for Thursday, November the 30th, 2017, and tonight's homework is the Daily Common Core Review Sheet 8-4. Alright, so let's get started. So in class today, we already did question number 4, and we talked all about prime factorization. We watched a video, and we talked about how to put that into or how to write that using exponents, and it was 3 to the second power times 5. We also did question number 5 in class, and I worked that out on the board, and the answer was D. Alright, so let's go back to number 1 then, and we're just going to kind of go through these, and then as we go through, I'll pick out which one I'm going to work out for you. It says, for the following expression, which operation is performed first? Now you guys need to use the PEMDAS strategy for solving and make sure you follow that order of operations. Question number 2. Ted bought a CD for $14.95 and a ball cap for $16.95. Then he purchased a book for $9.95. How much did he spend in all? So that means you're going to be adding all of those numbers up. Make sure that you are lining up the decimal. When you add or subtract using decimals, you need to make sure that you line everything up according to the decimal and that you bring the decimal straight down. All right, question number 3. What is the estimated sum of 3,829 plus 4,346 plus 6,354 rounded to the nearest hundred? So you're going to take each one of these and you're going to round the numbers to the nearest hundred, and then you are going to add those. I don't know what happened to the color of my screen here, but it is red and green day, and apparently everything has turned red. Okay. Anyway, so make sure you round those to the nearest hundred, and then you will want to line them up and add them. So let's go on to question number 6 and question number 7. And today we introduced the brackets. And remember, I told you guys that the brackets are very similar to the parentheses. You're going to treat those the same way. So when I'm looking at this problem, according to PEMDAS, the first thing I do is I look in the parentheses. Well, there's a bracket, and then inside the parentheses, inside the bracket, there are 2 sets of parentheses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my problem down here so that I have more room. Okay, yep, something's going on with the camera. The school is haunted, kids. Don't ever stay here past 4 o'clock. All right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve what's in each one of these parentheses. So 0.3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. And remember, when you're multiplying with decimals, count how many digits are behind the decimal, and that's how many will be behind the decimal in your answer. So I'm going to rewrite this. My parentheses is gone here, but the bracket stays there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this part too. 1.5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 place behind the decimal, 1 place behind the decimal in the answer. All right. Put that bracket back. Remember, those parentheses are gone, plus 6 to the second power. Now, we still have these brackets. And like I said, the brackets are to be treated like the parentheses. So we're going to do 2.4 plus 4.5, and that gives you 6.9. And now that you've solved that, the bracket disappeared, plus 6 to the second power. So this is something else we introduced today. Now, according to PEMDAS, after you do parentheses and or brackets, then you need to take care of the exponents. 6 to the second power means you're doing 6 times 6 plus 6.9 here. What is 6 times 6? That is 36 plus 6.9, and that gives you 42.9. So that is the answer to number 6, 42.9. Okay, so for question number 7, boys and girls, you need to look that you have brackets here, and inside the bracket you have parentheses. So you need to make sure you do 8 times 0.2 first. Then you're going to take that and you're going to do 9.6 divided by that answer. Then you're going to take that answer and you're going to do 40 divided by that answer, and it will give you your answer. And a little clue, this answer is going to be a whole number. It will not be a decimal. So if you're getting a decimal, then you need to check and make sure that you are following your order of operations. I hope this video helps you. You guys have been doing a fantastic job on your homework this week. This will be graded, and I've given you 3 answers out of 7 questions. So we should have really good grades on this. If you need any extra help, I will be in the gym tomorrow morning. I have bus duty, so you can come in there, ask me a question, find a tutor, ask them a question, but we definitely want to make sure you make a good grade on this. So good luck and have a fantastic afternoon.